Ready. Flight number 2. Harrison's third try. And here we go. Will he crash it or when?
No!
And oh, almost oh.
How am I saving it?
I don't know. Oh, nice! Oh, he almost hit me. Oh, bring it back! Woo! What a save! Ow! Kaplunk. Good job.